Easy English practice.
It's such a nice day for a walk, isn't it?
Yeah, perfect weather. Not too hot.
I love this neighborhood. So many trees.
Me too. It feels peaceful here.
Do you walk here often?
Sometimes, usually in the evening. You?
Not as much, but I should. It's so relaxing.
Yeah, good way to clear your head.
Exactly. Plus, a bit of exercise.
Win-win. Where should we head next?
Let's check out the park up ahead.
Sounds good. Lead the way.
I like it. More time to enjoy the walk.
True, no rush. Do you usually walk alone?
Sometimes, but it's better with company.
I agree. Walking alone gets boring after a while.
Exactly. Plus, you notice more with someone else.
Like what?
Like that cute little coffee shop we just passed. Never noticed it before.
Oh yeah, we should try it sometime.
Definitely. I love discovering new spots.
Me too. Walking really helps you see more of the area.
Right? I should do this more often.
Same here. Especially when the weather's this good.
Yeah, no rain, no heat, just perfect.
We're lucky today. Subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon for more.